Looking at the build quality, I gotta say, for the price, this has got to be one of the nicest little drum machines I think I've ever seen. It's fully made of plastic, obviously, but nothing creaks. Maybe very, very slight creak. The switches feel very nice. The tempo knob feels very nice. The stylus, I'm going to keep saying it, feels very nice. Overall, I am astonished with the build quality. With the included batteries, well, it doesn't include batteries, but with the batteries included in the device, when you put them in, the 3 AA's, it gives it a little bit of heft. I'm going to turn this on. As you can see, there's a little red light, a little volume switch, and a headphone jack, which, you know, they did not have to add that, but they did. Also has a little speaker in the front, which, let me just say, the way they designed the front of this looks really pretty. I don't know what it is, but it feels like a more expensive device than what it is. I'm going to pop up the stylus. Let me turn up the volume. Maybe that's, oh, you know what? Very, there's a lot you can do with this. All I'm going to say is you're not going to regret purchasing this based on build quality. I'm going to make another video that goes over how to actually use this. This is just the build quality video. The only place where I could maybe see this being a problem is this little wire. But again, you're not going to be sitting here tugging on the freaking wire, you know what I mean? The whole point is that you kind of slip it back in there, put it down, and it's done. So yeah, build quality wise, they did an amazing job. Design wise, they did an amazing job. It feels very nice. Even though it's all plastic, feels very high quality. I totally recommend it.